Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden is the only place in this house which calms sense and give a pleasant feeling to the mind and body also. You can install a gazebo in the garden and enjoy your garden beauty while sitting on it. Beside another benefit, the garden is that you can grow organic vegetable and fruits at home. The quantity of this product is large, so you can share it with your neighbor. Also, the homegrown fruits and vegetables are more delicious and taste better than the fruits and vegetables that we buy from the market. Moreover, my garden has many flowering plants that give a layering fragrance that makes the environment light and aromatic. The flowering plant that I have in my garden include roses, sunflower, and jasmine, marigold, common night blooming, etc. But my all-time favorite is night blooming jasmine, whose pleasant smell separate at night and make the whole house aromatic. Everything that planting trees and plants in any easy task, and anyone with a tall looper and widder can easily do it, but only gardener and the people who do gardening knows the effort and energy that gardening needs. Besides, only water is not enough for plants, they also need manure also. They need daily care in order to keep them healthy and fresh. Moreover, most of the plant are green, which means they need proper sunlight. Many people hire a professional gardener for taking care of their garden, but doing it on your own is more pleasurable. Also, it helps us to connect with the garden. And most of the plants and trees that are in my garden are either planted by me or my family member. We go to the nursery to buy seasonal plant every season, and most of the flowering plant are replaced every season as they die due to the climate change. After buying them, we plant these sapling of plants in a strategical order so that the garden look more colorful. The conclude we can say that gardening is a very good. Thanks for watching.